If you guys are interested to see how I got this full coverage drugstore makeup look, continue watching my video. So I went ahead and got myself, okay, so it's currently storming in New Jersey. I live in northern Jersey, for anyone who's interested to know. I grew up in Jersey my whole entire life, literally northern Jersey my whole entire life, and that's besides the point. But it's supposed to like snow today or tonight, and I went and got myself some DQ. I got myself a Moo Latte, and I got myself a Coke. Anyways, let's get into the video. Today's gonna be a full drugstore makeup look. Only drugstore. Typically, I only wear drugstore makeup, but these products specifically are one of my favorites and one of the cheaper drugstore products. So it's really affordable friendly, which I love. First thing that I do is I go ahead and I mentioned this in my last video. I love this product. This is the Vitamin C Face Serum by Body Prescriptions. So I go ahead and I just add a little bit of this onto my skin. I'm using the Olay Active Hydrating Moisturizer. The primer that I like to use is the Maybelline Master Face Studios primer. They have a bunch of these in different types of primers, but the one that I really like is the Blur&Smooth. So if you have open pores like your girl does, I definitely do, you want to go ahead and use something that's gonna be a poreless primer or a Blur&Smooth primer. And this one, really good. And I think it averages to about $8 to $11. Once I let my primer sit for a few minutes, ooh, good, okay. And I add my setting spray. Recently I've been really loving the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I said in my last video that I haven't checked to see if it really lasts up to 16 hours like it says on the bottle, but I do say 8 to 10 hours for sure, because I have worn it all day and it really does make my makeup last. And I'll probably honestly end up doing a video to test out to see if it does last up to 16 hours, but that video will come a little later. But I honestly haven't actually done it before to see. So 8 to 10 hours, okay? 8 to 10 hours. Next step is the foundation. So the one I will be using today is the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I really love this foundation right here. It's really good and really affordable. I think it averages maybe $8 at the drugstore. Get it at Walmart, Target. Really good. The only flaw for me right now is, I remember I did get this in the summertime and it's in the color beige. That might be a little dark for my skin tone right now. Guys, I'm pretty white, okay? Summertime, I get pretty fucking tan, but right now I'm not. Solution, we'll be using the e.l.f., this one, and we will be mixing my favorite concealer, the Physicians Formula Concealer. Just a little bit into this because this is like a very ivory pale color, and it'll just even out this the color of it. So just bear with me. Oh my god, I'm almost out too, I think. Oh no. The beauty blender, and we'll see what it looks like. Oh my god, I gotta sneeze again, but we're not gonna. Hold on. Beauty blender. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, it might look a little much on camera, but this is a full coverage right here. Don't tell me I look crazy, please. It'll literally all come together. Let me go get my mirror. Hold on. So this is one layer, and yes, I had to change my my sweater, shirt, whatever that was, just because it was black, it was getting messy, and yeah, we're just not gonna deal with that. This is what we're kind of looking like right now. This is one layer. It's really full coverage, so this is really great. I love it. We now go in under eyes with our brightener, NYX HD Studio Finish concealer in the color Porcelain. Going in with my Air Spun, go in a little bit with my beauty blender, and then under so I can cover it. Going with my Real Techniques now. Next, I'm going in with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This has literally been my all-time favorite bronzer for years. And it smells just like suntan lotion or sunscreen. You know what I mean. Going with my Beauty Blender to even it out a little bit. And then I'm going in with my Wet and Wild blush in Pinch Me Pink. Love, love, love this blush. I think it's so cute. So cute. I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Mascara.